He is like my rock. He's my support person. He's like everything. My heart goes deeper every adventure we take, I feel like.
Let's dream of the wildest of dreams, love.
The one thing that will make your marriage refreshed every single day is if you eagerly, gladly, willingly forgive each other every day. That's the grease that makes marriage function so smoothly and so beautifully. Jesus earned that forgiveness for you guys when he died on the cross. He didn't have to do that. He did it willingly. He paid the price for your sins. He did it out of love, because love means sacrifice.
Oh, we'll fly and touch the sky.
About 4 years ago, Andrew started talking about some girl named Mallory from the internet. And when I asked him about her, he had the biggest grin on his face. And when I finally met her, I knew that they were going to be something special.
We went to the Tin Fish. It was a great time. We were both healthy eating, and so we fed the bread to the ducks. She ate a piece of fish, and I left thinking, man, this is a terrible date. She's gonna be so hungry going home. But we kept talking, and I saw her again the next week.
They say you know when you find your true soulmate, your match in this world, the one person your heart can't be without. And for Mallory, that happened 10 years ago when she met me. Andrew, you found a strong, beautiful, confident, and adventurous woman and matched her stride for stride. You complement her in so many ways, and I have sincerely enjoyed watching your relationship strengthen through your shared love of travel, hiking and camping, CrossFit, sailing, and so much more. I can't wait to see what kinds of adventures await you in the future as a married couple.
To my forever, who knew a super like 4 years ago would lead us to today? You have become my greatest adventure, from sailing to hiking to camping and then climbing the tallest mountain in 48 states. You have helped me become the adventurer I always wished I would be.
We've grown so much together as a couple in this short time we've known each other. I can't wait to see you and hold you in my arms as we profess our love and commitment to our union in front of all of our friends and family, both online and in person.
You are my strength that will help me weather any storm. Through life's ups and downs, I know we will make it with each other by our sides. You are my guidance and my comfort. When life hands us struggles, I know we will be just fine with our strength and drive.
Hi Mallory, I guess I'm talking to this camera as though you were here, and it's maybe an hour until we're going to be walking down the aisle. You are truly beautiful. We just had our first look, and you blew me away.
Hi, Andrew. I can't wait to walk down that aisle and see you on the other end and start our life together. Love you, babe.